Hello and welcome to another update video on silver. Yeah, here on the silver chart, we are currently tracking still a potential 5-wave move to the upside as per the orange scenario. Silver didn't really give us very clear signals over the recent weeks. However, we had a 1-2 setup down here, as you know, and it's kind of been moving with gold. The gold chart was much clearer. Gold basically acted perfectly, as expected, you could say. Silver kind of followed this move up then, but it's not, I don't know, I'm not convinced yet. But, it is moving up, and I don't have a 5-wave move up yet from the April low, however. Okay, what I have is 3 waves into the 23rd, 24th of April high, a 4th wave pullback, and this 5th wave, 1, 2, 3rd would likely be unfolding still, needs another 4, 5. A few more upside squiggles would be ideal, but I'm not convinced by the structure. It takes a break below $32.67 to indicate that a top of sorts is in place. So far, the market has formed higher highs and higher lows here. And I can only identify 3 waves up, however, from that 15th of May low as well. And I'm counting it as wave 1, 2. That was our setup we had at the time. Then there was another 1, 2 setup, which basically means we get an extended third. Then this was the internal third of a third, was the most aggressive part of the trend. 4th wave pullback sharp, but valid. On the gold chart, that was quite sharp as well, but also held support exactly where it needed. But again, silver seems to be weaker than gold because on the gold chart, we already have a higher high, and the gold chart looks technically complete. Now, I can also justify on the gold chart another higher low and another higher high. We'll see if that happens. It's not needed. On the silver chart, it's kind of a must, or we won't get above this previous swing high here from the 24th of April. So we need to get above $33.71. And I want to see more than just a wick. So ideally, over the course of the coming sessions, silver would move higher and reach $34.19 to $34.82, where then ideally the price would complete this 5-wave pattern from the April low and from the May low, the 15th of May low, and then we can call that wave 1. Now you might ask, why is this so important? I mean, from a structural point of view, an entry point was down here anyway, that wave 2, or maybe even this internal wave 4 pullback. But from an Elliott wave point of view, from a structural point of view, and swing trading point of view, that 5-wave move up is a powerful statement because it means the market plans to go higher in the medium term, short to medium term, very short term, maybe then another correction that could last several weeks. But that would likely be a corrective pullback where people can adjust their positions, can get positioned, prepare for getting positioned, prepare to get positioned in this wave 2 pullback. So this could be quite interesting because 5 waves up are typically followed by 3 waves down, 5 waves into the trend direction and a corrective pullback. In this case, that would be a wave 2. And then from there, we can watch for higher prices, which would then take us potentially finally to $40 plus. And that is kind of broadly in line with some scenarios I'm tracking on the gold chart as well, which you know if you followed my analysis on gold as well. So that's the update on silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our stock service or stocks membership. You'll find the link in the description. It's the Patreon link. We also cover gold and silver pretty much on a daily basis there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.